Senqu local municipality under the Joe Dhabi district municipality in the Eastern Cape is an embodiment of courage, resilience and excellence, characterized by visionary leadership and exotic attractions. Senqu in Sesotho means strong and resilient. This explains why in 2025 it became one of the municipalities to obtain clean audit coupled with consistent performance in the past 10 years. In 2024, it was celebrated as one of the greenest municipalities in the country. Its unique border with the Kingdom of Lesotho is characterized by some of the stunning attractions such as Bebeza Rainbow Village, towering Dangerous Hook Mountain Pass, Nomlengana Asian Fortress, on top of the gigantic mountains. Such exotic attractions have a huge potential of creating unimaginable possibilities of a vibrant rural tourism development. The harmonious existence of Amahlubi, Abesuthu, Amaxhosa, Abebala, Nabelungu in Sterkspruit, Lady Grey, Barkly East and Heshele makes it the true rainbow nation. If you want to take a refreshing break to reflect and to enjoy exotic geographical attractions, visit Senqu and you'll come back with a deep sense of appreciation. This explains why on 30th January 2026, the Honorable MEC Mr. Zolile Williams of the Eastern Cape Department of Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs launched a booklet of non-negotiable standard operating procedures in Sterkspruit. The purpose of the booklet is to mitigate the deteriorating state of municipalities in the province. Launching the non-negotiable booklet at Senqu local municipality was a befitting exercise consistent with courage and resilience witnessed in this part of the country. Senqu has provided a blueprint which is anchored on collective political will, stability in administration, and collaborative local communities. As Matiba once said, it is in your hands.